Northern European pine forest. 2 brown bears, 8 wild boars, 6 foxes, 7 badgers, 2 pine martens, 20 rabbits, 4 moles, 2 nightjars, 4 pine hawk moths, total 55 creatures. Pine hawk moth. At night, this moth flits between flowers, sipping nectar with its long tongue. Its caterpillars feed on pine needles. Badger. Although badgers and foxes sometimes live in burrows that connect, they never mix. They tunnel deep into the ground, making a series of chambers called a set. Badgers eat insects, fruit, and mice. Rabbit. Until they move, showing their white tails, rabbits are difficult to see. They live in warrens, and the bucks thump their feet on the ground to warn of approaching danger. Wild boar. The huge canine teeth of this fierce and rare animal are razor sharp, and boars will eat almost anything. Young piglets are camouflaged by their stripes. Brown bear. At night, brown bears search for honey, vegetables, and small animals. Although their eyesight is poor, they live alone in dens and are protected by hunters by law. Pine marten. The beautiful pine marten is so agile that it can catch squirrels and even birds in the treetops. Fox. Foxes hunt for rabbits, insects, birds, and even garbage in towns. They are very clever and can run long distances. When hunted, they may swim through water to disguise their strong scent. Mole. Moles must eat more than their own weight in earthworms every day, or they die. They are designed for life underground, with large front paws for digging and tiny eyes. Nightjar. This perfectly camouflaged bird feeds in midair by catching night-flying insects in its wide mouth.